Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back to you for another unboxing. If you think die-cast vehicles, you're absolutely wrong. Jelly Beans, this is an order from Whatnot. I told you they had more than die-cast on Whatnot. I will get back to you with the person's name for their stream, so you can join their stream whenever you want. I'll be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I just found out the name. It's called, the person's stream is HGP_kicks. You'll see what I got as soon as I open it up. As you know, I'm in my car. That means I'll have my wonderful keys to assist with this. HGB Kicks is the person's name, so you can join their stream. Alright, Jelly Beans. These I am not collecting, these I'll be wearing. They're sneakers! Ooh. These are very nice. Very nice. HGB Kick. The video doesn't do it justice. These are very nice sneakers. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Some Nike Quest. These are the size 14s. I got two different shoes, two different sizes. I'll be sure to try them both on so y'all can see them when I get home. Alright, let's move on to the next box. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, these are sick. Oh my god, these are sick. Don't ask me what kind. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. The box will let me know. Nike Renew Elevate. Oh my god, these are friggin' sick. I like these. Thank you very much, HGB Kicks. I can't wait to try them on. This one will probably fit me more than that one. This looks very wide, so this will definitely fit. Oh, there's a little cushion in there. Not very much, but definitely would fit. I will be right back with the shoe on my feet, both sneakers on my feet, so you'll be able to see them. So I'll be right back. Hey Jelly Beans, I am back. Nike Quest are a little too small for me. They're kind of tight on me. I probably find somebody that has the same size or needs size 14s. They're nice shoes. Alright, the Nike Renew, they're a little tight, but they fit a lot better than the other ones. These ones are size 15. Very nice. Thank you again to HGB Kicks. thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace. Don't forget to follow HGB Kicks. His link will be down below for whatnot. Same as mine. Oh yeah. Have a good peace. Oh yeah, before I go, don't forget, you sign up under my link, you get a $10 in-app credit you use towards anything like these sneakers.